Hello everyone, this is Prasad, your English fluency guide. Welcome to channel Prasadu Putnuru. Dear friends, today in this video I'm going to explain degrees of comparison. The part of speech that we use here is mostly adjective and sometimes adverb too. Here we can see some adjectives, the words with one syllable, okay, and we can see positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree, okay. You know what adjective is? Adjectives are describing words. They describe the nouns. What are nouns? Naming words. Okay, all naming words, name of the person, place or thing is called noun. And adjectives describe the nouns. Okay, here we can see three forms of the adjectives: positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. First one, tall, taller, tallest. Short, shorter, shortest. Nice, nicer, nicest. Small, smaller, smallest. Big, bigger, biggest. High, higher, highest. Tiny, tinier, tiniest. Tiniest. Cheap, cheaper, cheapest. Old, older, oldest. Here we can observe one thing. By adding er to the positive, we are forming comparative degree, and by adding est to the positive, we are forming superlative degree. Now let us see the words with more than one syllable. For example, beautiful, three syllables. Beautiful, three syllables are there. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent. Expensive, more expensive, most expensive. Enthusiastic, more enthusiastic, most enthusiastic. Important, more important, most important. Talented, more talented, most talented. Experienced, more experienced, most experienced. Fabulous, more fabulous, most fabulous. Miserable, more miserable, most miserable. Now let us see, there are 5 models. Okay, you need to learn the model 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just one example you have to learn. How to change it uh, to comparative degree from superlative, and how to write positive degree. Just one example you need to learn. So if you have this example in your mind, after that whatever the sentence is given, if you are asked to change from superlative to comparative or from comparative to positive degree, you can change it. So one thing you have to do is you need to remember one example. So I am showing this example. For example, type 1 example, model 1 or type 1, you can say America is the richest country in the world. Okay, America is the richest country in the world. Richest, rich, richer, richest. Richest is superlative degree, right? Now, SD means superlative degree. Shortcut SD superlative. CD comparative degree. Positive degree PD. Now let us see this example. America is the richest country in the world. Now let's try to change it into comparative. What is the comparative for richest? Richer. What is the positive? Rich. So America is richer than any other countries in the world. America is richer than any other country in the world. Here country singular you have to write. That's a mistake. Excuse me for that. America is richer than any other country. Any other country, here singular we need to use. Any other country in the world, comparative degree. And positive degree starts with no other country in the world is as rich as America. So what you have to do is you need to learn this example by heart. Okay, America is the richest country in the world. America is richer than any other country in the world. No other country in the world is as rich as America. Now if you are given one example, John is the cleverest boy in the class. Now you are asked to change it into comparative. Okay, how will you change it now? John is, see, America is the richest country in the world. Post comparative degree, America is richer than. In the same manner, John is cleverer than any other boy in the class. What is the comparative degree? John is cleverer than any other boy in the class. And positive degree, no other boy in the class is as clever as John. Okay, so please mention it in the comment section. Okay, you need to write the answer. Next one, model 2. America is one of the richest countries in the world. America is one of the richest countries in the world. Superlative degree. Now we need to change it into comparative. America is richer than many other countries in the world. And positive degree starts with very few countries in the world are as rich as America. Once again, look at this model 2. America is one of the richest countries in the world. America is richer than many other countries in the world. Very few countries in the world are as rich as America. Now I'm giving you one example. One question I will give you. You need to change it into comparative and positive. John is one of the cleverest boys in the class. John is one of the cleverest boys in the class. This is superlative degree. This is superlative degree. Now change it into comparative and positive degree. Look at these examples. Now John is one of the cleverest boys in the class. John is cleverer than many other boys in the class. That is comparative degree. And positive degree starts with a very few. Very few boys in the class are as clever as John. Very few boys in the class are as clever as John. This is model 2. Now come to model 3. America is not the richest country in the world. That is superlative degree. America is not richer than some other countries in the world. America is not richer than some other countries in the world. Now positive degree starts with some other countries in the world are at least as rich as America. Some other countries in the world are at least as rich as America. Positive degree. Now I am giving you this sentence. Try to change it into comparative and positive. Please mention it in the comment section. John is not the cleverest boy in the class. What is the comparative? John is not cleverer than some other boys in the class. What is the positive degree? Some other boys in the class are at least as clever as John. Okay, I hope you will mention it in the comment section. Answers. Now, 4. Model 4. America is not as rich as Japan. In the model 4, comparison between two things or two groups or two people. There will be no superlative degree in model 4. Okay, positive degree and comparative degree only we can write. America is not as rich as Japan. Now comparative, Japan is richer than America. Now one question for you. John is not as clever as Dev. Now change it into comparative. Okay, Dev is cleverer than John. Dev is cleverer than John. Now model 5. America is at least as rich as Japan. Comparative degrees, Japan is not richer than America. Now question, John is at least as clever as Dev. Now change it into comparative degree and please mention it in the comment section. I'll be waiting for your answer. Thank you all of you for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Keep watching my videos to become fluent speakers in English, and I am proud to say that every single day you will get one video from my channel, which means your motivation to learn English will never be faded away, and I'm always there for you to motivate you and encourage you to practice English. Thank you all, your fluency guide Prashad Putnur. Thank you and see you in the next class.